Right, so now the top spacing looks good, which is here, camper estimated line, horizontal line. The space below the address at the bottom of the menu is a little bigger. Space a little bigger. At the top of the menu in the H1 element. To decrease the default margin space below the address P element, create a class selector named address and use the value 5 pixels for the margin bottom property. So we need to make a class equals address at the P element. So class equals inverted comma address, and then we're going to target that in the CSS with dot address, let's spell it right, parentheses, and then margin, is it bottom? Aye, margin minus bottom colon space 5 pixels semicolon. Don't forget your semicolon. That's always a bugbear with everybody. They always forget the semicolon. Right, now apply the address class to the P element containing the address. Now apply the address class to the P element containing the address. I just done that. Alright, class equals inverted comma address. Yabba dabba do, moving on. The menu looks good, but other than coffee beans background image, it is mainly just text. Under the coffee heading, add an image using the URL http. Right, okay, so I need Control C. Give the image an alt value of coffee icon. So we need to, under the coffee H2, so we need a less than sign, img src equals, so source equals Control V if you copied and pasted it, and then self-closing, and then you'll see a wee coffee cup if you've done it right. And then we need a alt attribute inside it, so space alt space alt equals, so basically if it doesn't display the coffee cup or the teacup or whatever it is, then it'll give a description of the coffee icon, or it could be just a coffee cup. It would just say that when you hover over it if it didn't display. No, your image element should have an alt attribute of coffee icon. Oh, I put coffee cup because I was saying cup. It's coffee icon. Don't do what I done. Yay, yabba dabba do. Moving on. The image you added is not centered horizontally like the coffee heading above it. Image elements are like inline elements. To make the image behave like heading elements which are block level, create an image type selector and use the value block for the display property and use the applicable margin left and margin right values to center it horizontally. Create an image type selector and use img type selector and use block. Right, so we need where's my oh no, wait a minute. Right, so there's my image. So I need in here class equals img, and then we need dot img parentheses display block. Oh. No, it's not display block. I don't think so anyway. It's margin left colon